Which arrows involve release of energy? First one, carbon dioxide in the air becoming carbon compounds in plants. This is CO2, gaseous. This is glucose, right? And all the other carbon compounds that glucose can be converted into. So this is photosynthesis. That is the correct process. Is that release of energy? Actually, it's the opposite. Light energy is trapped, right? It is converted to chemical energy. So it's actually trapped, not released. So one is wrong. And if one is wrong, then these are all wrong. So the answer has to be D. Statement 2. Honestly, this one is more ambiguous because you could say that when animals eat the plants, and maybe now it is stored in starch, animals will break down this starch into glucose and use it for aerobic respiration. So that is a release of energy. So that's why this one's like, is it a yes? I'm not sure. But then again, to carbon compounds in animals, now it becomes glycogen. If they just broke it into glucose, then put this glucose into a long chain glycogen, there wasn't a release of energy. It's just converting from one form to another. So that's why 2 is a question mark. I don't know if they actually release the energy in the starch. So I was actually leaning to yes, they would release the energy from starch, but there's no 2, 3, and 4. There's only 3 and 4. Right? And by elimination, I already know answers D. Now let's look at 3 and 4. 3 is fossil fuels. Yes, you combust. This releases a lot of energy. Heat energy is the main form. And then carbon compounds in plants, aerobic respiration gives you CO2, correct? That also releases energy. Okay, so that's why your answers 3 and 4.